Welcome back, everybody. We're glad to have you back. Spring break is over, and now we start the quick slide. We have 7 weeks left of the school year. We're going to finish strong, Wildcats. We are going to do our very best in these last few weeks of school. We got iLearn coming up. We have some other testing coming up. We have end of the year stuff coming up. I know that our music people are coming up with some a cool concert at the end of the year. So we're here to finish strong, and we're here to welcome you back from spring break. So let's get to announcements. All right, today is Monday, April the 5th. Happy April, everybody. And these are your morning announcements or afternoon announcements or midday announcements at 11:30. All right. Any technology issues? Of course, you're dialing 317-254-5566. You may have quite a few of them coming out at break. Also, if you go to westlaneparents.com, right below the weekly schedule, you will see a technology form you can fill out if you wish. We have 6th graders. We've extended our AVA interview piece to April 4th, so make sure you fill those out and make sure you get that interview part done. I think a lot of you just need to get the interview part or the video part done, get that done today, actually, and then we'll be able to get you set up for that. Also, too, if you're interested in honors, science, and social studies, make sure you fill out that application and get your current teacher's recommendation for that class as well for 7th grade. Don't forget, right after our advisory today is the West Lane Safe Student Alliance for Equity meeting. That is from 12:05 to 1 o'clock on Zoom. And we've got some birthdays. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. All right, here we go with our birthdays today. First off, Elsa Aranda. Happy birthday, Elsa. Uriel De Leon Hernandez. Happy birthday. Trinity McFarland. Happy birthday to you, Trinity. And happy birthday to Leonard Petty. And I told him I was going to do this. Happy birthday, Caleb, 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 Caleb. What does that mean? There's 4 Calebs, and it's Caleb 4's birthday. Spells it differently, but he knows it's still it's a homonym. 4, F-O-O-R, and F-O-U-R, and also F-O-R-E, all spelled the same. So happy birthday, Caleb. Don't forget our schedule for today. Period 1, 2, 3, and 4 modules should have been done by the time you get here. If they're not, make sure you go back and get those done pretty quickly, please. Right now it is 11:30 to 12 o'clock, and it is advisory time. And then we have, again, periods 5, 6, 7, and 8 are happening right after this. So your modules, so making sure you're going in there and working on those modules. So getting those done. And don't forget, the mission of West Lane Middle School is to develop lifelong learners and globally minded citizens by fostering the academic, creative, and social skills needed to achieve excellence in a multicultural environment. Every Wildcat, every day gets better. Speaking of, don't forget to work on Diagnostic IXL when you get there. We're looking at right now who's getting our extra outside time this Friday for advisory. So we'll make sure we'll get all that taken care of. Let's see here. I'm trying to remember what else. Welcome back. Make sure you get it worked in. We'll see all of you tomorrow at 9:20 that are coming in person. Again, those of you that are virtual, your parents are getting an iLearn communication from Parent Square today. Make sure that you have your parents look for that. All right, so it's got some important information about how you'll be taking iLearn this school year. iLearn is coming up here on the week of April 19th. So 2 weeks from today is the first day of the window of iLearn. We're going to test, for the most part, in our advisory classes here at the school. Okay, so you'll be testing there, and the people at home will be kind of working on some other thing because they'll be testing on Mondays. And so we'll have more about that throughout this week and next. We're talking about how we do on iLearn and doing our very best on that. And other than that, though, again, welcome back, everybody, and we're glad to have you back from spring break. Who'd have thought they need ya? Who they thought they need ya?